High-resolution LCD, the first portable 3-in-1. Drill, tap, fasten, drill press precision, SPESYN. Tool 3, press to align, drill dead straight. A front guide module keeps the tool square to the work surface. Dual linear guide rails ensure smooth and linear motion. Effortlessly drills through wood, aluminium, acrylic, and phenolic. Even glass and tile won't skate. Built-in depth sensing and LCD display take the guesswork out of drilling. Accurate to plus or minus 0.1 millimeters accuracy. Blind holes mastered. Tapping has never been this easy. One quick swap, and you are a tapping expert. Intelligent torque and pulsed rotation cut perfect threads automatically. Even blind holes are handled with precision. The front guide module and linear rails keep the tap on axis with the hole. No drift, no breaks. From start to finish, even a handheld tool delivers professional-grade threads. One quick swap, and you are in screw driving mode. No pilot hole? No problem. The guide system and smart torque keep it straight and steady. Get professional results with just a handheld tool. It monitors torque and speed 25,000 times per second and depth 10,000 times per second, constantly adjusting in real time to ensure optimal performance for every drill, tap, and screw. It charges with the same Type-C charger your laptop uses. For a beginner, it's normal to fear drilling too deep or crooked. Its guide system, depth display, ensure a perfect result every time. From kitchen cabinet to wobbly chairs to backyard projects, one tool handles it all. Tapping, drilling, driving screws without a pilot hole. Where there's an idea, there's SPESYN Tool 3. Precise enough for intricate crafts, yet powerful enough for big projects. SPESYN Tool 3 bridges the gap between imagination and reality. Tap into innovation. Build with precision.